Yo, what is going on guys? It is Caspahz here, and today I'm gonna show you how to build the Aetherscope on the map MASCHINE. The first thing you want to do is turn on the power and then build the Pack-a-Punch machine. If you're not sure where the power switch is, it is located in the red room in the underground facility. After you got the power on, go over to the two terminals and hold your action button on them. The dark ether orb will spawn in the middle of the room. Go up to it and hold your action button and it's gonna teleport you into the dark ether. Just follow the indicators on your map and it's gonna take you down a tunnel, and this is where you can find the part to the Pack-a-Punch machine. From here, all you gotta do is take that part back to the original location where the ether orb was, and the Pack-a-Punch machine will be built. You're now gonna be able to find these blue orbs around the map. They are anomalies. You wanna go up to them once you find them and it's gonna teleport you into the dark ether. The first part can be located in the spawn area just beside the stairs right over here. The second part can be found in the Juggernog area just on this plain part. And finally, the last part can be located just down the stairs by the armor stand. If you run out of time and it teleports you out of the dark ether mode, don't worry about it. Play through a couple rounds and another anomaly will spawn. Once you have all three parts, make your way to the very bottom of this area just underneath the Pack-a-Punch machine and you'll be able to craft it on this crafting table. If you did enjoy this video, I would greatly appreciate if you could drop a like on it. Also, if you want to stay up to date with videos like this and never want to miss one, make sure to hit that subscribe button below and you'll be notified every time I upload. And until next time, it's been Caspahz and I'm out. Peace.